Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone that's stuck in recovery mode. All right, let's begin. First, try a force restart. If you have an iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can force your iPhone to exit recovery mode without deleting your data. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Then release both buttons. If your iPhone is still stuck in recovery mode, connect it to a Mac or Windows PC using a USB cable. On a Mac running macOS Catalina or later, open Finder and select your iPhone under Locations. On a Windows PC or an older Mac, open iTunes and select your device. When prompted, choose Update if the option is available. This reinstalls iOS without erasing your data. If the update doesn't work or isn't available, you may need to restore your iPhone, which will erase the device if no backup is available. Once the process is complete, your iPhone should restart normally and exit recovery mode. So that's basically how you can fix an iPhone that's stuck in recovery mode. That's it for this video. Thanks.